Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking for a super delicious and refreshing sparkling water? This Polar Seltzer Ginger Lime Mule checks all of my boxes for flavor and fun, and it really is refreshing. So I love Polar Seltzer because it is made with just natural flavorings and carbonated water. There's no artificial flavors, no sweeteners, nothing like that. So you're basically just drinking water, but it's way more fun. So it has a really nice amount of carbonation, so it's super refreshing, very bubbly, and the Ginger Lime Mule is such a unique flavor for sparkling water, and I absolutely love it. It does have the ginger kick to it, which I really like, and then it has that nice bright acidity from the lime, and it's just an awesome drink. So I love to keep seltzer on hand all the time because it actually helps me drink more water, and I just absolutely love the flavor. So if you're looking for a really delicious, bubbly way to stay hydrated, definitely check out this Polar Ginger Lime Mule. It is so tasty. That's my point of view.